Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. A good student should be humble as well. Full stop. If he is humble, comma, only then he will be able to learn, comma, be obedient and will gain the knowledge and the skills imparted by the teacher. Full stop. Students are like raw clay in the hands of a teacher. Full stop. They are like tender saplings which need to be grafted and groomed. Full stop. This is possible only, comma, if the clay is willing to be molded in a desirable shape and the sapling is tender. Full stop. Paragraph change. A good student should be responsible, full stop, without having the capability to shoulder the responsibility regarding anything, comma, a student will not be able to achieve anything worthwhile in life, full stop. Only a responsible person can carry forward the greater responsibility of being a good citizen, comma, a good person, or even for that matter shoulder the responsibility of a family, full stop. A good student should be persevering and consistent in his studies, full stop. A person who moves ahead continuously without being discouraged by failures and obstacles, comma, succeeds in life, full stop, along with having perseverance, comma, a good student should be hard working, full stop. Hard work and consistency go hand in hand, full stop, paragraph change. Moreover, comma, a good student will never be selfish, full stop. He will be very helpful, full stop. Knowledge, comma, it is said, comma, increases only by sharing, full stop. An ideal student will always help his fellow students, full stop. He will be full of humility and will know no pride, comma, conceit, comma, vanity or selfishness, full stop. An ideal student will have a keen observation and a curious mind, full stop. Without these two, comma, he will fail to acquire knowledge, comma, wisdom and understanding, full stop. In fact, comma, they are the seeds of knowledge, full stop. Only a curious mind will seek new things and like to learn novel ideas as knowledge of new things can be acquired only by a keen observer, full stop. Paragraph change. In modern days, comma, an ideal student is sometimes mockingly called a bookworm or a teacher's pet, full stop, but instead he is a person who aptly utilizes his time, full stop. He studies while it is time to study, full stop, and plays appropriately too for his physical development, full stop. He is never slave to his senses, full stop. An ideal student could have the curiosity for modern gadgets like others, full stop, but they know how to avoid temptation and addiction, full stop. A school serves like a community and an ideal student would learn to be a successful member of it, semicolon, thereby proving an asset to the institution and to the country. Full stop. Paragraph change. Swami Vivekananda has inspired many generations not only in India but in the world as well. Full stop. In his lessons, comma, he has elaborated on certain qualities that a person should have in order to be an ideal student. Full stop. Some of them are colon, respect, comma, love, comma, self-discipline, comma, self-control, comma, faith, comma, concentration, comma, truthfulness, comma, conviction, comma, strength, comma, firm determination, etc. Full stop. The teachings of Swami Vivekananda has inspired many legendary figures, thinkers and leaders. Full stop. Paragraph change. These intellectual capacities are not sufficient. Full stop. A healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Full stop. Thus, comma, an ideal student has to be physically strong and fit in order to have a good concentration and to work hard. Full stop. An ideal student therefore, comma, keeps fit by exercising regularly. Full stop. Exercise increases his capacity to concentrate, comma, makes him disciplined and orderly. Full stop. Paragraph change. And we all know a disciplined student is always successful. Full stop. Finally, comma, a good student is also respectful. Full stop. He who knows no respect, comma, knows no knowledge, comma, is a maxim. Full stop. One cannot progress without the blessings of his teachers and elders, comma, which he earns only when he is respectful. Full stop. These are but a few qualities of an ideal student which are his beacons on his march towards attaining the eternal wisdom. Full stop. Stop.